So it's that time of the day of the month again when it's time to share with you guys the top apps for Android for the month of July. So let's get started. So the first app is called Mi Controller. So Mi Controller is an awesome app that allows you to customize your control center or makes you have a control center on your Android smartphone. So how it works pretty much, of course, after you allow it to have its permissions, you have two sections of your Mi Controller Center. So on the right side, of course, you have your control center. So as you can see right there, it's really awesome. Here you get to control everything from Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile data, the screen, how bright you want your brightness on your screen. So it's pretty awesome, it's pretty cool. And then of course on the left side, of course, you have your notification area. So your notification area, of course, you have here is everything that's coming through in your notification area. So like tweets, text messages, and everything else from here. So yeah, it's just an awesome app. And of course, the app is free to download and it allows you to do a lot of customization as well. So you can change, of course, the layouts here from anything you want, of course, the colors as well here. And so yeah, it's just an awesome app that allows you to have a cool, unique two-way of controlling and seeing your information on your smartphone. So of course, like I said, on the right side here, which is my favorite part because it has that iOS kind of feel look to it, of course. So here, of course, you control everything else. And then on the other side, you see your notifications that are coming through. And then of course, if you swipe in the middle, if your phone has a notch, like this one, then you could just swipe in the middle. Oops. You could just swipe down in the middle and it will bring the default one back to normal. So yeah, it's just an awesome little, Easter egg, I guess you could call it. Next, we have Walnut. So Walnut is actually one of a new wallpaper app that I just found out about, and it's just a ton of cool wallpaper looks that you could find and look. Of course, my favorite one, of course, is in the news section, which is this one that looks like that I have here in my home screen right now. Which is really cool, unique. I don't even know what you could call it, but it's just really, really awesome and just has a cool look to it. So yeah, I've been really liking this look right now from this collection. But yeah, there's just a ton of here that you could choose from. And so yeah, it's just really, really cool and unique as well. So yeah, I highly recommend it. You guys go check out this app, this wallpaper app, if you want some cool, interesting wallpapers to really step up your home screen game on your phone. Next, we have PinIt. So PinIt is just by the name of it, you pretty much know what this app does, and that is it pins stuff to your notification area so that you won't forget stuff. So it's pretty easy, of course. You just create one and then you have a title for it. So we could call it YouTube, and then description: make top apps for month of July 2020. Oops. 30, nope, that's too far. There we go. And there you go, save and pin. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. And then of course, right if you slide on your notification area, it should pop up right there. So you have a reminder and it will stay there until you physically remove it from the notification area so that you could remember stuff. So yeah, just a great app to use if you need to remember stuff whenever you're out, maybe going grocery shopping or just need some reminder to get something get done as well. Next, we have a cool app called AnyWeather. So AnyWeather is just an awesome app, and I just like that little notification, that little animation I mean right there. So this app, of course, is really, really cool. It's just a simple weather app, of course, that shows you the weather. So as you can see, it's nice and warm here. It's 28, feels like 27. Of course, it shows you some weather information right here, like the sunrise, sunset, wind, humidity, and all that stuff. But then, of course, if you slide from right to left, you get this. You get some nice little cool information about the weather throughout the week. Throughout the day. So right here, of course, you get to see the weather, and then of course also throughout the week for the next 48 hours. So yeah, it's just really, really cool, and I just like this way because it's just really simple and easy to use because it's just a simple way to look at the weather. And then of course, when you slide right there, you get to see the weather throughout the day, but also for the next 2 days as well. Next, we have WTMP. So WTMP is a cool app that allows you to have that safe feeling about your phone. So this app allows you to whenever it's turned on, so like how it is right now, it will show you if your phone has been unlocked by somebody else. It will take a picture of it silently, which is a little bit scary. Of course, you have to give the permission to do that. But of course, for the app to work properly, you have to give that permission. And of course, so if you click here on the device unlocked, here, as you can see, you saw my face right there. It shows you the Android system, of course, the app, and then of course the launcher that I'm using right now. And so yeah, it's just and that's my picture right there because it took a quick picture of me unlocking the phone. So yeah, it's just a cool app, of course, like I said, to keep your smartphone safe, and of course so that you can see who actually unlocked your phone. Maybe throughout the day, maybe you left it on your desk and you just want to see if anybody touched your phone. It will take a picture of it automatically without the person knowing, which is a little bit scary, like I said, but really cool as well. And not least and not last, we have a cool icon pack called Kensel. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, or Essel. So Kessel is a cool Android pack that has a ton of cool icons as well, that supports probably the apps that you have already on your smartphone. So yeah, there's a ton of here that you could choose from, and I just like this design because I like the soft color look to it, but also just the unique artwork and design that just, I like the rounded edges and everything about this app. So yeah, it's just a really, really cool app that I highly recommend you guys go check out if you guys want to have a cool, simple icon pack as well for your setup, like this one right here, because it is amazing as well. So that's it for the top apps for the month of July. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And as always, if you guys do enjoy this video, please do like the video because that does help a lot. Or even better, you can subscribe to the channel because that does help as well. So that's it for now, guys. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.